Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Let's learn SQL queries with DivK Learner. So let's get started. Our today's agenda is delete statement in SQL. So let's see what is delete statement and how do we use it. Delete statement in SQL is used to delete the number of rows or all the data from the table. That data should be existing. Delete statement we use with the where clause so that it inform or retrieve the data or the number of rows which we want to remove using the delete statement. If sometime we forget or if we don't write where clause along with the delete statement, it means it will going to delete all the rows from the table. Or we can say delete statement without using where clause will delete all the data from the table. But yes, in delete statement, the data which you have lost by mistake or yes, by mistake, you can roll back also. It means you can recover it. So let's see the syntax of delete statement. Delete, then you have to write down the name of the table after the from. Delete from, then specify the name of the table. Then you have to specify the where condition. So let's move to SQL where we will see how we can use delete statement in SQL with where and without where clause. First of all, let me show you the data of my table. Customer. This is the data. I have seven number of rows here. Now let's write down the delete query. Delete now have to mention the name of the table, that is customer. Now I have to specify that which row I want to delete. So let's say I am saying in a where clause where id is equals to 7. Delete a row from the customer table where id is equals to 7. So let's run it. See the number of rows it will affect. One number of row is being affected. Earlier it was there was 7 rows. Now let's see how many rows is left. You can see there are 6 number of rows left now. So using the delete statement, I have deleted the row whose id is equals to 7. So like this you can I have deleted a single row. If you want to delete more than one row, you can change the query here. And if you want to delete more than one row, you have to write down the where condition accordingly. If where id is greater than 3. So let's run this query. 3 number of rows affected. So let's run the topmost query, that is select statement. Now you can see only 3 rows left. So like this you can delete more than one rows by writing the where condition according to the requirement, the number of rows you want to fit accordingly. Now, what will happen if I remove this where clause from here? Or say I don't want to use where clause. As I have already told you that if you want to delete all the data from the table, you have to use a delete from customer without the where clause. So let's run this. This query will going to delete all the data of the table customer. 3 rows affected and we know that there were only 3 rows left in my customer table. So let's run this. There is no data available here. So like this we can delete all the data from the table. One more thing, we cannot use the asterisk sign. This is the asterisk sign. We cannot use asterisk sign with the delete statement. So like this we can use delete with the where clause or without where clause. I hope you learned something from our today's video. Thank you everyone. Bye.